Namaste everyone. Here's a short flow sequence that you can integrate into your handstand preparation practice. Let's get started. So from a downward dog position, keep your feet hip width apart. So right here, I'm gonna kick my left leg back and up to three-legged dog. So make sure I level my hips here. Just take a quick peep down and back. Make sure all 5 toes are pointing down to the floor. And then exhale, draw that left knee to the chest or forehead to the knee. Round my back like a cat pose. Step my left foot forward. And inhale, let's come up to a supported warrior 3. Drawing my belly in. And exhale, palms together. Round my back slightly here. Take my right knee towards my belly. Oops. And inhale, lift my arms all the way up. Working on the flexor. So this is how your T-stand is going to be. And exhale, just swing that right leg back to a warrior 3 here. Now I'm going to donkey kick back. Squeeze the inner thighs. Donkey kick. Whoop, whoop. Right leg lands. Down. Flow. Exhale to downward dog. Take a deep breath here. And take that left foot one little step forward. Kick that right leg back and up. Level the hip. Looking forward. Come into tippy toes. I'm just going to T-stand forward. Whoop. Land. Exhale, fold. And inhale. Come all the way back up to standing. Exhale to mountain. And then we're going to flow back to downward facing dog and repeat on the other side. Happy practicing. Namaste.